Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix GTA 5 BattlEye error 0xc000009a with some easy and effective steps. This error usually happens because of corrupted files, memory issues, or outdated software. First, restart your PC to clear temporary problems and free up memory. Next, open your GTA 5 installation folder, go to the BattlEye folder, and run the install_BattlEye.bat file to reinstall BattlEye services. After that, verify your game files using Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Launcher to repair any missing or corrupted data. Now, make sure your Windows is fully updated and your graphics drivers are on the latest version. Also, temporarily disable antivirus or add the GTA 5 folder to exclusions because it can block BattlEye from running. Finally, run the game as administrator and launch it again, and the error should be fixed so you can play without any interruptions. Subscribe the channel for more videos.